The next one is what's called a cynical letter in English, and it is originally composed, and so far all the poems that you heard is composed in the Tibetan original, translated into English by myself with the help of my friends. And this one is also done the same way. You will hear the translation later on, but also I would like to demonstrate to you that how the Tibetan sound of this particular poem. This is the cynical letter. Here it goes. Buddhi soyi dangzi da, kepi mingde yikchen ten, zema yini ngambe ge, pawa njikma shipe shi, korbi chula kemo tro. Nyenja jenam ambar chur, sepi lakpa chumbu tong, chilip marmi nangdo chong, longwa deme thok nandro, shawo kangti kolo juk. Nimbu songshi sapsing ke, kemo shobe nyenga ken, uki gyuwa seti shi. Chepa chujin korbe kor, chima jana kormashi, dikjin chujin kormashi, kormashi pa niki kor. What?
7 syllable.
Yeah, it's a 7-syllable one. That's right. Yeah, yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah, that's into the basic line that which makes very workable in Tibetan particularly. Okay, that's the translation here.
This is May 22nd, 1972. Cynical letter. Licking honey from a razor blade, the eyes of the learned gouged out by books, the beauty of maidens worn by display, the warrior dead from lack of fear. It is ironical to see the Dharma of samsara, celebrities deafened by fame, the hand of the artist crippled by rheumatism. The moth flew into the oil lamp. The blind man walks with a torch. The cripple runs in his wheelchair. A fool's rhetoric is deep and learned. The poet laughed himself to death. The religious spin circles in accordance with religion. If they had not practiced their religion, they could not spin. The sinner cannot spin according to religion. He spins according to not knowing how to spin. The yogis spin by practicing yoga. If they don't have chakras to spin, they are not yogis. Chogyam is spinning, watching the spinning samsara. If there is no samsara spinning, there is no Chogyam.
Kapshila lamu yayar gyajam, rite thotor chinsung, achen namji kawa, rite. Sampe rende chempo, semji rite tulna, achen kari yinya, zemo tempo main. Jibe ru tori mapugna, namhe churu shuyang jigarki. Lukyu devra lesu niltuina, tamne chopo megang jigarthong. Semgi chapu reto lungu che, nyanga kimbo rangsar nebarji. Shimanyongwe swembute, nyamnyong mebe pagenda. Shine swembur majurba, lobur kukar jurbata. Kemanyongwe lumbute, lamso mebe shununda. Lumbong kepar jurbate, muto jerbu jubanda gochi dapur jubate sarji jaka thobanda dapo gochi jubate milam sambu sebanda ringdi thopu thebate rangi zedep lobanda thopu sarva nyebate lushi sarva chombanda chogyam nyanga thiwate gebu matsi lembanda nenjo gombe khor chakhor mena nenjo men chogyam khorwar teben khor khorwa mena chunjam me khorwa danyangde khada napur chungwate pemakar chungwelen chomi jukje nyorwate langchen tebu ndrowelen sangje gongba sabate semje marin chubelen